Hi everyone, so I received a package from easyartcraft.com. They reached out to me and asked if I wanted to pick a couple items to use and review with you guys, and I said yes. So this is what came in. I did get another storage container box right here. You definitely need these to set up your little diamond dots and keep it all organized. And even if you are not a fan of diamond dots, you can definitely use these just to organize like your charms and your beads or your rhinestones. So these could be used for anything. I absolutely love these cases. I'm obsessed with them. Let me show you, because it's kind of like a pillbox. Like you can open each little door one by one, so you don't have to worry about, you know, knocking it over and spilling the whole case. So you can have, you know, all of these filled, and then you just have to open it one door at a time. So if you drop it, you only spill this side, and all of these are still sealed. That's what I love about it, because I am very clumsy. I've told you guys I trip over air, so I'm just a klutz. So this works out very well for me, that I can keep everything all nice and safe and sealed. So I love those containers. Now, this is something that's new to me, and I am obsessed with, you guys. I cannot wait to get these done. I'm so stoked about it, so obsessed. Let me see if I can show you guys with the light on. So here's the first one that I got. It's Donald Duck. But look, there is a light in there. What? Oh my gosh. So cute. So let me open this up to share with you guys. So here is Donald, and you see it's really thick. It is double-sided, and there is a light in there. Let me turn off the extra lights so we can see it better. Look at that. So cute. So there's Donald here, and then his pack is rhinestones, which you guys know that I love. Those are my absolute favorite to get. And then it does come with the pen, the tray, and the wax that you need. And then it is supposed to be a keychain, so there is the finding for that. So there's Donald. I did get Baby Yoda. And let's open this one on up. And the Baby Yoda is the same. It lights up. So let me turn off this light. Isn't that so cute? Here it goes. I just love that it lights up. Like I said, I'm obsessed with these. And then Baby Yoda does have the rhinestones as well. And oh, look, there he goes again. And this one is just a huge butterfly. This one does have all the really, really pretty rhinestones. Look at those. Those are going to be gorgeous. So pretty. Oh, you can't see with the light. There it goes. This one lights up as well. So cute. Love, 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 love these, you guys. I cannot wait. And then my absolute favorite, you guys know how much I love Stitch. So they had a Stitch. I was really excited about that. And he lights up as well. Oh my gosh. Aren't these just the best? I cannot wait to have these all done. They're going to be so stinking cute. Cannot wait. And all of these are the rhinestones, which are my faves. I highly, highly recommend getting the rhinestone packs over the regular drill bits, because they just come out so much prettier. So I'm going to go ahead and leave a link to their website, and I'm going to leave a link to all these products down below in the description box. Like I said, I'm obsessed and really, really excited for these. I love when they come out with new products, and this is something new, and I'm really excited that I got my hands on it. So like I said, I'll link everything down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Merry Christmas, guys, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.